Hey leaders, did you know that you can now schedule your reels in your CRM? That is right, inside your social planner tool in the CRM. Not only you can schedule your post stories in your social media, but now you can also do your reels for your Instagram inside your CRM. I'm going to share with you in this tutorial the easy steps on how to do that. First is to, just go to marketing, and under marketing, under the social planner tool, and once you click on that, there's a button on the right hand corner that says new post. Click on that and then just create a new post. And then from here, you're going to choose your social account. Now, the real feature is available for Instagram. So, make sure that you have your Instagram business account connected in your CRM. If you don't have that yet, click on add account and you can just integrate your Instagram business account here. Once you're done with that, then let's proceed to choosing, which account we'll be doing the schedule of posting. And then instead of using post or story, now we're going to show you how you can, schedule your reels. So just click on the reel tab. And from here, you can, select the video by clicking this video button and then just clicking upload file and then looking for the video that you'll be uploading. Make sure that your format is mp4. You could use mov, but just to make it more simple and general, make sure that your videos are in mp4 format. And then we have a maximum of 15-minute duration and 1 gigabyte of memory or file size for the reel. So once you have uploaded your video or reel inside the media hub, just double click on that, and now it should be uploading.
Will be.
As you can see. And then let me just delete that. Yeah. All right. So for example, you have the video already, then you can also put your captions here. Let me just get a caption. Pasting the caption here and then putting the video for sure. Let me just put that again. So this is how it would look like. Let me just delete that so that the audio will be paused. For example, you have the video and then you have the caption. You can even do a follow-up comment, typically a hashtag that will be used to boost your posting, so that will be posted as well, what with this scheduled posting. So once you have the video and then your caption and follow-up comment, if you want that, just go to this part where it says post. If you want to post that right away or if you want to schedule that, you can click on this drop down menu and then choose schedule post. And from here, you can pick a date and time to schedule that. And once you have decided on that, then just click on scheduled post, and there you have it. It should go to your Instagram, check the progress, and just be creative, because this is how you can take your Instagram to the next level. Reels are the future, and a lot of people are watching reels, so make sure that you have those kind of postings as well in your Instagram account. This is Mark once again. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, let us know. If you want to learn more about the CRM and some exciting features, stay tuned with our tutorial every Tuesday, and see you next video.